Welcome to Crypto Coders. In this video, we will be taking a look at Bitcoin. I will be doing a detailed technical analysis on Bitcoin, and I will also be giving you my Elliot wave count on Bitcoin. We will look at the next all-time high price targets and also if the bottom for Bitcoin is in or not. So let's dive in. I believe that Bitcoin has had 3 1-2 setups. So this is the bull market from 2014. I believe that this was 1 and 2. This was our first 1-2 setup. Now this is our 2017 bull market. I believe that this here was our 1, 2, our second 1-2 setup. And this, you might all be familiar with this structure. This is our 2021 bull market. I believe that this here was another 1 and another 2. So that would mean 3 1-2 setups. I will show you all of this in one chart on log scale. This is how it looks. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 1-2 setups. 1-2 setups makes the structure very, very bullish for Bitcoin on a long term. After these many 1-2 structures, we potentially expect a very large wave 3. Keep in mind, these are not the price targets. These are just points in space. I will give you the targets later. Now coming on to, I will show you what I expect now. I will remove all of this. So whatever happened before the second 1-2 structure, we will forget about it. And as I showed you that this was a wave 1 and this was a wave 2. We don't know yet if this wave 2 has completed or not. After that, we will have our wave 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now in this, after a 1, we have a 2. In our wave 2, we have our ABC correction. A, B and C. Wave C has 5 waves. We don't know if this 5th wave is complete or not. So let's dive into this structure, the latest structure we have. So let's see if the bottom for Bitcoin is in or not. We cannot say for sure if the bottom is in. I will give you what you can expect. So potentially we are looking for 5 waves from the bottom. Till now we can see that from the bottom we have 1, 2 and 3 waves. What we expect for a bullish structure to have 5 waves, a 4th wave and a 5th wave. So 5 full waves makes an impulse. After an impulse, we expect an ABC correction or a WXY correction. Mainly we look for ABC. If this holds, we will look at around 61.8% correction. If this holds and you identify 5 waves on a smaller time frame, this would potentially mean that the bottom for Bitcoin is in. Until then, we cannot say for sure. After 5 waves are completed, and if 5 waves are completed, you will look for a corrective structure, not an impulsive one. An impulsive one would definitely break the low and you would still be in the bear market. So we would want to see 5 waves up. Till now we have 3 waves. We expect a pullback for a fourth wave, and then to break this high and get a fifth wave. After this, we would want an ABC structure in 3 waves. You can go in here aggressively, buy here. If this support holds, always place a stop loss to avoid any big losses. So if this support holds over here, after 5 waves, we want to hold support between 61.8 and 78.6% fib level. I will mark it here. If this support holds and we get 5 waves on a smaller time frame, this could potentially mean that the bottom for Bitcoin is in. Now let's see what our targets, all-time high targets would be for the next bull run. Now let's go back to this structure over here. As I showed you, I believe this was a wave 1 and this was a wave 2. So to calculate targets, we go to the start of wave 1, go to the high of wave 1, then go to the low of wave 2, assuming this was the bottom for Bitcoin. Now we will look for at least the target of 1.618 fib extension. Somewhere between 1.618 extension and 2.618 extension. These are the textbook targets for wave 3. So from the bottom here, we can expect a 600% to 1000% gain in Bitcoin's price. 1000% is a bit unrealistic, but 1.618 is potentially a healthy target for Bitcoin. So I guess I have covered everything for now. Until next time, bye bye.